Coming up.
Yo. Skirt. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome. Sorry. Anyways, welcome back, guys, to another video. I know I'm a little rough right now. Honestly, I just feel like I need to just take off the wig here and but I promise myself I'm going to stop coming on YouTube and look rough. But anyways, welcome back, guys. I just come from in town. I got my packages from Team Fashion. I don't know if you don't know the word promotion. We are going with Shein, where you buy one item and you get about 5 or 7 free. Your girl did it. Your girl did it 5 times from 5 different devices. Yeah, my name was already well. I not tell no lies. If they never stop take my PayPal checkout, but I have a 20 package right there, so 20 package right there. So guys, let's get into the video. I not lie, me buy for the world, me buy for everybody. Me take things for everyone. So this is the first package, guys. I don't know what in that is. Let's see what's in it. Let's see what's in it. Okay, what are these? Okay. What in there? They might look like some man things that me get for my little cousin. Watch out. See shots here? No who can see. Me get them feel, but him not get them till him pay me. If clear them. Sorry for the camera shaking, guys. I'm down here and shake the camera. See where I go and feed a chair. Watch here. I pick them in. Him pick them this. What did them this big in? This is not small. It's medium. Wow. This not look bad at all. Not look bad at all. But this I'm stressed a small pick, so I don't understand how a medium coming at this, but okay. Let's see. Okay, this is small. Okay. This not look bad. I not tell no lie, them smaller fit look big too. See? The shorts. This not look bad. Not show people. Not look bad at all. Not look bad at all. And let's see what else comes. Oh! They're lucky enough to see Shein are wearing shoes. Right. And they're not choker this year. Kind of girl Shein this year in shoes. Right. See you Shein your people. I don't know if you can see Shein here. Choker. The one choose choker. This look like a my little blouse with my order. Let me go. Oh my goodness. So I got some t-shirt, guys. Look. Get some t-shirts, you know. The material can go on. So me get like 1, 2, 3. You know? So me can wear everyday t-shirt. By the way, you see this whole Shein promotion thing? I go tell you how it go. I'm going to tell you how it go. So basically, what you do is, you go download Shein on a new phone, make a new account. I get this shirt for my mother. I don't know if you can see what I say. I got it from my mother. Use a new email address. If you've never been on Shein before, I got this for Daniel. So why didn't have it tag outside? Shein, what kind of factory fault this year? I got this to be done. Can we hear it going on the sound? It's okay. Wait a sec. No, not today. This is for me dandan. Oh, this is my free item, guys. This is my free item. The free item to wash me here. I want bottle. Let's see what else. I mean, I like this Africa. I worry if I think I pick for that up. Look at this. I don't normally buy stuff on Shein, but I ain't gonna make this a little festivity a pass me. Mad? I ain't gonna make it pass me. But just pick for my picnic. But just pick. This a film too again. But just pick out everything for the film. Let me see this. Can't wear them going to town. No man, Shein, watch out. Why is the tag outside? Look, people. I like this because this coming on look a ball art. And everybody knows that ball art fit done up. Ball art fit done up. So, yeah. Take up 3. People, this was my favorite at home for girl Lily swig. Lily swig. Yeah, watch out. Hot comb. Yeah. For Lily swig. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Hopefully it works. Yeah. Let's see. 3 more packages to go, people. 3 more packages to go. Three more packages to go. So we get 1 more at home, one for me and 1 for Shan. 1 more at home, people. Yeah. She picked them here something, yeah. And me just, you know, do the right. So this is Shan stuff. Or mine. This time let me pick some Shan something. My nice little red bag. I don't got no red bag, so I just said why not? Why not? Nice little red bag. I pick for myself. Your girl don't have no red bag. So where rest of something then? This is Shan pressure machine she have where she put in there. Pressure machine. So this up now. Sure. This is hard to up. She gets. How about this Shan order? How about this? What is this? Look at Shan wears a pick pan. Look at Shan wears a pick pan. Eh? No. Fun and joke aside. Anyway, this is for Lily. This is for our little baby niece. My little baby niece. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. And it comes to a little headband, guys. So cute. Oh my gosh. So this is the 3rd pack. Put back in here. That's the net. This is the 4th package. Let's see what's in this. How about this? This I must want a free gift. Whatever. What is this Shein? What is? Wanna comment down below to know what Shan get so nice a pick. She get these white sandals. She gets it in a pink. Wait a minute. Shein 15% off. Wait a minute. Oh, see the pressure machine here, guys. See the pressure machine here. So I'm gonna go looking at the box there. The see how. And so we get some more things for Lily. We get some more stuff for Lily. Look palm my niece in her belly skin. Look palm my niece in her belly skin and shot. So cute. Ooh. Cute man. How are this? What is this? I don't know what this is. Whatever it is, I don't know. No. But Lily get some cute little outfits. Let's see how this looks. And she get this little cute one. So cute. I'm not sure I got in town she can wear them. What is this? Mirror, our glasses. No, I'm sure no. 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 Watch your glass about. Watch your glass. Watch ya. I will leave at them, you know. I will leave at them a pink. Watch ya. White. No. We can't sell glass. Eh? Who want them glass? Comment down below. Watch out. Watch out. Oh man. No man. I may talk about pressure machine. Shein go on. Shein go on. Watch out. All black. Yeah, dog. Hold on. Yo. Skirt. Me not lie. I feel like these glasses are my favorite so far. I don't want the video too long, you know. But the last one. Let's see what this is. This is a toothbrush rack. When I put it up, I'm gonna show you it in the bathroom. This is the nut shoe stand. I'm gonna put the nut shoes in now. And the door, when I put it up, I'm sure now. This is what is? No, this is I think of some butterfly something. I like this. I put up on the wall. It's a home. When I put this up, I'll show you guys it as well. And I don't know why I chose this bag. I don't know why I chose this bag. I don't know why I chose this big ass bag. The timer is running out. I'm gonna just choose something. And I choose watch. I think that his and hers watch. Give one of them to my brother or something. So this is the women's one. This is the men's one. That's the end of my video. I hope you like it. I open I like it. I'm not sure if the whole Shein thing is still going on. However, it's very easy. I will put the code right here. You can make a new account with Shein. It's a timely thing. You just go and browse through stuff on you like you put 5 items on your cart, and then you go in this. After you done that, you go back to the search bar, put in the code that I'm gonna put right here again. Put the code in, and then when you put the code, when we get a hand like clap like this. Once you get the hand clap there, you're good to go. You just choose. You just follow the instruction. Them hurry up and choose where you want quick and fast. Make sure you have no shipping address. Better preferably check out with PayPal instead of using your card, because it don't work. Everything is a timely, it's a timely matter. So just hurry up, do it fast. Just like when I talk fast right now, I so have to do it fast and quick. You check out, and wait till you get to your tracking and everything, and you basically pay for one. First, this is the tip number 1. The first 2 items can be any price, but you see the other item them, make sure it's not as expensive. If you can afford it, that's fine. But if you know say you don't have no money like that, say you don't want to pay more than $10. Also, make sure the last items after the first 2 expensive, every other item after that, make sure it's not too expensive, and you're good to go, guys. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys. I'm gonna put the code right here.